Alright guys, today's video I'm about to show you how to change the oil on this compressor. It's a Makita model MAC 2400 and it's pretty easy, simple steps. The tools that you're gonna need: 10-inch socket, an empty bottle, and the oil. Let me show you guys how to do it really quickly. It takes like probably, I would say probably 5 to 3 minutes or so. So what you're gonna do first, see this right here? See this screw? You're gonna have to take that one off. All you do is just take this thing off. That's it. Grab your bottle really quickly. And this is just an empty bottle, whatever. You can use whatever you want. But all you do is just take the oil out. And to make it easier, you have to take this little cap off. And just sit it there, sit it there. And you can tilt the compressor if you want. Like I said, it takes a little bit of time to drain, probably I would say a minute or so. Don't let your compressor get super dark because you mess up the engine. So this compressor, I did a whole bunch of jobs with it and I think that it's time. So let's just change it. You guys can see it's probably half a bottle of a regular water bottle. So see that it's already empty. So what you do, see how it was? It was super dark. Don't never let the oil gets like don't ever get it like that because you're gonna mess up your compressor. So what you're gonna have to do is just put it back, and it's super easy. See, it's empty. You guys can see that, but it's empty. Well, you know what, if you're not sure, you can just take this screw out and then just tilt your compressor. And had a little bit, no big deal. But that's pretty much that's all you do. Clean this screw, put the screw back, tighten the screw back up, tight this screw too hard either, because you're gonna mess up the thread. So just make sure that, just tighten it back up really good. And let's fill this thing up. All you need is a funnel. See the mark right here? You're gonna fill that all the way to the like halfway of the mark, and that's all you do. That's pretty much, that's it. If you guys like this video, subscribe, leave comments below, and I will answer them for you. Thanks.